Good evening, my dear viewers. The last we discussed certain topics related to library building, leadership, etc. things. But today I am going to present very important questions in the library management topic. Those are very important thing you can remember at the examination point of view. I am going to explain a few points like previously we completed one video like this. Now coming to the uh, questions. Number one here, Kunj O'Donnell formulated Kunju O'Donnell formulated 7 steps of a process of dash. సో ఇక్కడ మనకి డిఫరెంట్ మేనేజర్స్ సైంటిస్ట్ ఉన్నారండి. కూంజ్ ఓడానల్ అని, పీటర్ డ్రక్కర్ అని, ఎఫ్డబ్ల్యూ టైలర్ అని, హెన్రీ పేయాల్ అని డిఫరెంట్ పర్సన్స్ ఉన్నారండి మేనేజ్మెంట్ సైంటిస్ట్స్. అందులో ఒకరు కూంజ్ ఓడానల్ ఫార్ములేటెడ్ 7 steps ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాసెస్ ఫర్ రిలేటెడ్ ఆఫ్ ది వాట్. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫర్ ప్లానింగ్. He has given the 7 steps related of the planning. Okay, 7 steps are given by whom? Kunj O'Donnell. It is related to planning. Already we discussed in our topics. So if you recall them, automatically you can understand. The one question is over. First question is over. The second one, what is the focus of planning? What is the focus of planning? Then we can say why we use the planning. For what purpose we can apply the planning? Simply the answer is decision making. Decision making. What is the focus? The main aim of the planning, decision making, to achieve certain things, certain objectives. So for that reason we use the planning. The focus of planning is for decision making. The next, the third question under the first question is over, second question and third question answers are representing immediately. Who propounded the concept of MBO? Who propounded the concept of MBO? MBO stands for management by objectives. Management by objectives అనే అంశాన్ని ఎవరు కనుక్కోవడం జరిగింది? ఆ కాన్సెప్ట్ని ఎవరు ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది? హియర్ పీటర్ డక్కర్. యు రిమెంబర్ Peter Drucker. Peter Drucker has given or propounded the concept of MBO, management by objectives. It is also important, the abbreviated form, management by objectives. 3 questions are over. Budget is a dash. Budget is a what? Budget అనేది ఏంటిది? So we discussed in previous classes, budget is a statement. It is related to expenditure and income. What is it? Is related to financial device. Okay, budget is a control device. Okay, control device or a financial plan. It is a financial plan. Budget is a financial plan. Okay, control device or a financial plan. Then coming to the fifth question, fifth one, fourth is over, fifth, demand theory. It is very important question. Demand theory for book selection. Book selection. Demand theory for book selection. Who has given different personalities are there? Drury, Ranganathan, McCalvin. Different personalities are there, but demand what is there? You can write McCalvin is the important person for the selection of the books. He used book selection principles. Okay, book selection principles. Demand theory for book selection. The McCalvin. Please remember. The question number 6. CPM stands for. Okay, CPM stands for, this is the abbreviated form. So simply critical path method. CPM stands for critical path method. CPM. And PERT, 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 program evaluation review technique. Okay, CPM, critical path method. So over of these 6 questions. Now 7th one is 0. Question number 7. Zero based budget system. Zero based budget system. ZBB. Simply ZBB, zero based budget system, developed in which year? So this is also important question. In the year 1970, it was implemented by Peter Payer. Peter Payer is the invented person. Zero based budget, ZBB budget, introduced in the year particular 1970s, and particular the person is Peter Payer. Okay, question number 8. Best books for the largest number. Best books for largest number of readers at the least cost. So here what you observe, best books for largest numbers of reading at the least cost. It is also one of the book selection principle. Who has given this one? Melville Davis. It is very important question. McCalvin and Melville Davis, S.R. Ranganathan, Drury. These are the persons as given very, very important book selection principles. Okay, best books for largest number of reading at least cost. తక్కువ ఖర్చుతోని ఎక్కువ మందికి పుస్తకాలను అందించాలనేది ఒక ప్రిన్సిపల్. అది ఎవరు అంటే మెల్విల్ డెవి has given this important principle for the book selection. Okay, 9th one, performance budget. Performance budget developed by so the person is here Hoover commission. Some commission established on that. The person name is Hoover commission developed the performance budgets. There were 4 types of budgets: performance based budget, zero based budgets, like that we discussed PPBS, programmed performance based budget, like that in the last class. Okay, performance budget developed by Hoover commission. Zero based budget developed by Peter Payer. Here Hoover commission. Remember performance budget. Then 10th question, who kind the term librometry. Okay, librometry అనే వర్డ్ను ఎవరు ఇంట్రడక్షన్ చేశారు లిబ్రోమెట్రీ? ఇట్ ఈస్ అ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్. లిబ్రోమెట్రీ అని రాగానే ఎస్ఆర్ రంగనాథన్. ఎస్ఆర్ రంగనాథన్ introduced or coined or developed the term librometry. Please remember librometry. Each and every item is very very important. What I am writing on the board and discussing about all the things. The 10 questions are over. The 11th one. First layer of the management. So management levels are 3 types: top level, middle level, operation level. Like this here: top level, middle level, lower level, middle and top. So lower level management is also called operational management. Operational, this is the first one, second one, third one, like. So top level is third. Now first layer, these are the layers, 1 2 3 layers. First layer of the management is here operational management. Okay, operational management is the first layer of the management. The next 12th question, question number 12 is here: CPM was used towards. CPM అనేది దేనికి సంబంధించింది, ఎందుకు యూజ్ చేశారు, దేనికి సంబంధించింది అంటున్నారు. యూజ్డ్ ఫర్ కన్స్ట్రక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ది ప్రాజెక్ట్స్. ఇస్ ఇట్? నో. ఎస్. జస్ట్ you observe construction of projects. Critical path method, construction of the projects. So this is the technique which is going to used for construction of the projects. CPM, research and development part is meant for research and development. CPM is meant for construction of the projects, buildings, dams, etc. things. Okay, the question number 13. I think you know Liker name. Liker name is associated. Likert name is associated with. ఇంతకుముందే చెప్పాను నేను, మనము లీడర్షిప్ స్టైల్స్లలో లైకర్ట్ అనే వ్యక్తి వస్తాడని చెప్పాడు. లైకర్ట్ అనే వ్యక్తి దేనికి సంబంధించిన వాడు అంటే స్టైల్స్ ఆఫ్ లీడర్షిప్ ఆర్ లీడర్షిప్ స్టైల్స్. ఓకే, దిస్ ఇస్ ద ఆన్సర్. స్టైల్స్ ఆఫ్ లీడర్షిప్ల స్టైల్లకు సంబంధించిన విషయాన్ని ఎవరు చెప్పారంటే లైకర్ట్ అని చెప్పాడు అనమాట. లైకర్ట్ అనే పర్సన్ తెలియజేయడము జరిగింది. లైకర్ట్ ఈజ్ అసోసియేటెడ్ విత్ స్టైల్స్ ఆఫ్ లీడర్షిప్. ఓకే, ద నెక్స్ట్ నౌ ఎస్ ద ఫ్రమ్ పోస్డ్ కార్బ్లో ఎస్ ఏంటిది అని అంటున్నారు. ఎస్ ఫ్రమ్ పోస్డ్ కార్బ్ మీరు చదువుకున్నారు. పోస్డ్ కార్బ్ అనేది ఎవరు ఇచ్చారంటే లూథర్ గల్లిక్. ఓకే, ఈ ప్రొపౌండెడ్ ద పోస్డ్ కార్బ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ acronym. ఓకే, P for planning, O for organizing, S for what? Here S for what they are asking. The question is S for what? Now answer is staffing. Here S for staffing. Sometimes they ask from the post carb what is the D? Directing. So from the post carb what is the B? Budgeting. Like that they ask the question. You can find and remember. This is the models of question. Then next coming to the last one, the 15th one question is the last one. 15th one question, very very important questions. All these you can remember. Okay, now main the 15th one question, main income of public library. Okay, what are the resources or sources of public libraries? What is the how they can get the income for a public library? Normally, the library says it is a tax. Library says is the answer. From library says the public library will get the income. These are the 15 questions, very important. All you need to remember, and you present in the examination point of view exactly, and these are the most helpful to you. So thanking you all for listening this one, and please subscribe and share and like. Okay, I will give more information from the next upcoming videos. Thanking you.